Hi sweet friends, welcome to Uniquely Vintage You. My name is Michelle and my sister Cheryl and I welcome you to our channel. If you love DIY, home decor, and style on a budget, then we are so glad that you are here. We post new videos every Monday and Friday. And if you haven't subscribed, we hope that if this channel blesses you in any way, that you'll consider subscribing and following us. Today's video is all about doing a mantle makeover. So, as you guys know, my sister bought my parents' home and we are just slowly making changes, and this is something we've been wanting to do. But she found this really beautiful shelf that she's had in her home for years and years, and her style has changed, so she took it down and was thinking about donating it. But then she had the most brilliant idea of taking this and transforming it into a mantle for her fireplace, and her goal was to make it look like European concrete. So that's what we're trying to do here. So the first thing we did was we took some drywall and we are just covering up some of the grain that was on this wood, and we want to give it some texture, and our goal is to make it look like a big concrete slab. So we gave it one coat of paint mixed with a little bit of baking soda. I just dumped some in, painted it on, but we weren't really happy with the dimples or the texture. It made it look more like tin. So we decided to just add some more joint compound to cover that up. So that's what we're doing right here. Okay, once that was dry, then we just went back over it with some more paint. And I am just using regular paint, and we just made it to kind of match the color of her stone. And it needed some more richer colors. So I just took some black paint, watered down, and I'm just going over it in different areas. Wiping it on, and then I'm wiping it off. Just to get the look that we want. To give it kind of a more aged look, I took this dark wax and I'm just rubbing it on the recessed places, or just painting it on those recessed places. And what I did with it is I just watered it down as well too. So we're just making it look aged and look the way that we want. Okay, this is how it turned out. What do you guys think? We absolutely love it. I think it looks exactly like a piece of concrete stone. So now let's hang it. So to do that, you're going to need a few things: a drill, a Tapcon screw anchors, concrete masonry drill bit, and then one of those magnetic, oh my goodness, magnetic, mercy, bit holders. So we're just screwing into her brick right now, and as you'll see, then we're going to just go ahead and add those anchors. Okay, here it is, all hung up. I absolutely love it, and my sister is thrilled with it. And the reason that she decided to go with it instead of actually having a wood mantle is because she hasn't decided what she wants to do with the bookshelves yet. So we absolutely love it. We ordered a mirror, or she did. It hasn't come in yet, and so we just styled it with some of the things that we have on hand. But we're so excited to rearrange our bookshelves and get our new mirror up that she ordered and style it for you guys. So you'll have to let us know what you think. Does it look like stone to you? I think it absolutely does. And I just want to let you know, I mean, this is the home that our parents lived in. It's the one that we grew up in. And my precious dad built this home by himself. And all the beautiful woodwork that's in our home is the woodwork that he did himself. So it's hard to make changes, knowing how hard he worked. But at the same time, I know that he would want us, or want my sister to make it the home of her dreams. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it so very much. We hope that this gave you some inspiration on how you can take simple things that you have in your home and transform them. But Mama and Daddy, this one is for you. We love you both. We were so blessed to have such beautiful parents, godly parents in our lives. And we hope that each one of you are blessed to have good parents as well. But before we go, I just want to leave you with this beautiful Bible verse. For the eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and his ears are open to their prayers. God always hears your prayers. He loves you, and if you need anything, just call unto him, and he will answer you. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.